5 sacks, 4 forced turnovers, 42 unanswered points. There really wasn't much more the Polar Bears could ask for in a season opener.
You know, defense wanted to shut them out like always, and they did that. And offensively, our line did a great job protecting.
And Jeff Pankratz threw it all over the field, a career-high 230 yards to be exact. ONU kept it on the ground for another 235, but this is a new week and a big week. It's the conference opener.
Yeah, the OSC is the best conference in the country, so every week you got to bring your A game, and this will be our first test.
We have enough veterans that they understand that to be a really, really good team that we've got to get better each week, and that's our challenge right now.
The other challenge will be not getting caught up in the final score of last year's game with Muskingum. The Polar Bears took that one 36-7, but as Coach Paul is quick to point out, that game was anything but a blowout.
And for 3 straight years, they have had the lead on us in the second quarter. So we need to, that needs to get our attention, and we need to get off to a good start.
But the Muskies will be looking for a quick start as well, and with a unique offense led by 3 quarterbacks, the Polar Bears need to be ready for anything.
Well, they'll throw everything at us, and they got some pretty good athletes, so they'll test us with some trick plays, and the coaches are pretty good over there.
And if they can stay up for all 4 quarters, they'll come back home with a 2-0 record and move one step closer to the playoffs. For the Sports Report, I'm Brant Showalter.